Yes.
What's happening to you?
My cassava is paining me.
Your servant.
My cassava is paining me.
Your cassava.
Yes.
Is paining you.
Yes.
Your cassava.
Yes.
He say what?
My.
Could speak louder. What do you call? He say what?
Even enough more.
Repeat it again. What you say me? He say what? Your cassava.
Yes.
Is it what?
It's paining me.
Speak louder.
It's paining me.
Is it what? Your cassava. Is paining you.
Yes.
How long?
Almost 5 months now.
What is cassava?